The end of the week result for XAUUSD, the date Friday, July 28, 2023. And what I'm doing is capturing the entire trend. Right here is where the week began, and the market is now closed here. So I had this triangle here for the 3-hour, which is the time frame I'm currently on. And what I wanted to capture is just how price is respecting the zones. Price hasn't it broke this triangle here, however hasn't, I mean, it's closed on this impetus, but it hasn't given a really strong push through for the confirmation for the sell. It's definitely pushed through this zone here as well as over here. So I'm unsure what that means at this point. More studying to do on what that means. I know it means something. I just need to refresh on it. So when I drop down, let's just say to the 20-minute, and what I'm looking at here is how I had, of course, two scenarios here for where price was here on Sunday for it to push up. And so in looking at this, it looks like this up move right here is right here, and then this move right here came down, and I'm wondering if it's going to push up. When I was looking at the other scenario, the push down, and then this push up here, this push meaning right here, and then I have this down. This right here happened, so but however it's gone back up. So I'm kind of reading this in two ways. I know price is definitely respecting this zone of demand. It pushes through with big candles through this zone on a few occasions, and near this zone right here is also being respected. It's hit frequently. And then as I was doing, just kind of reviewing the markup, just looking at my prior markups, and so since it is the end of the month, what I'm going to do is just go ahead and put all of these up here just so I can see how I've been doing along the way. Path. All right, cool. So instead of doing this week to week, I thought it would just be best for me to just do this once a month. This week I don't know that I have a two-way here, so I was thinking maybe I didn't trade this week or do an outlook, but I've got the two-way scenario anyways. So when I looked back here, and I remember just thinking like how inaccurate my analysis just kept being. It just took time to play out. I was waiting for price to hit the zone, and weeks later it eventually did. This one here, it also did as well. And now I'm just doing two-way situations. So I'm unsure. Looking back at this makes sense, but it's like now that I'm doing the two-way scenario, so price is moving. Okay, so I expected for price to potentially hit this zone, in which it did. This zone again, it did. And then I just started taking smaller steps, hit this zone, in which it did. Nice, okay. And hit this zone, but it nearly hit both. This zone as well as this one. Boom, boom, boom. So I'm grasping it. Taking some time to get there, but definitely grasping. So anyways, this is the end of the week result for XAUUSD.